This workshop, facilitated by UWI-ROYTEC, is meant for parents and teachers who are working with kids, whether in the classroom or at home, and it's meant to resource them to help to understand or identify those kids that are thriving versus those that are struggling, as well as to understand the kids who are isolated and how to reach them and connect with them, versus the kids who are in crisis, who require a specific type of treatment or approach. So what we are looking to do is resource parents and teachers in terms of understanding their own unique challenges and how they have to resource themselves, because if you're not taking care of your emotions, your stress, your frustration, it makes it very, very unlikely that you'll be emotionally available enough to attend to these kids and to meet their needs. So we are planning to have specific tools, strategies, techniques that are dynamic, interactive, so that you leave this workshop with clear ideas as to how you're going to approach them, relate with them differently, and to connect with them in a way that meets both your needs and theirs.